Hey guys, today I've got another unboxing. This time we're looking at the Logitech K400. This is a wireless touch keyboard. It's great for sofa surfing and things like that if you've got a TV hooked up to a computer or another device which can allow keyboard input. You've got the keyboard, small keyboard on the one hand, and then the touchpad with like mouse buttons on the other side. So let's have a quick look. This is the UK version. So I'll just open it up at the top here. Got a couple of things I need to cut. Okay, so you've got the keyboard, which I'm just going to put to one side. That's the contents of the box. So we have some booklets. What do you think? Important information and a setup guide. And this is actually the USB receiver here, and this is just a small little extension for it. And then the main event, we've got the keyboard. So I'll just peel this out, have a quick look. It's not miniaturized, it's kind of like a laptop size keyboard, so it doesn't have the number buttons you find on the right. Instead you have the trackpad. So give you a quick sound from the buttons there. It's not too bad. And I'll give you a flip around. So on the other side it's white. You have this on-off button to power the keyboard. It comes included with AA's, I believe. So you can take these out. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I've had a look at the keyboard. There's not much more to say really. It's got a wireless range of up to 10 meters. It's got plug and play, meaning you don't have to install any software with it. It also claims to have a 1-year battery life, and there is a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to sum up by saying if you'd like to purchase this, there'll be some links below in the description, as well as some other information. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys.